Hello everyone, today I wanted to share one of my favorite task managing software to you all. This is Notion and here is my homepage. I will teach you how to make a drag and drop to-do list and calendar like mine in 2 minutes. So this is the first page that you'll see when you log into your new Notion account. Let's go to task list over here and add a new view, add one more and change it to calendar. And now let's go back to table. Maybe we can change it into date or deadline maybe, and change the type to date so that I can add the deadline over here. And if you wanted to add a new status like now, you can just type it out and create it, and that's it. Now drag task list into personal home over here, and now let's add two headlines. We can use test and let's type calendar maybe, enter, and type one more like to-do list maybe. And now let's drag the to-do list to the side and you will see there is like a tiny little blue line over here. Drop it over there and move the task list below calendar. Now click this 6 dots and turn it into inline. Change it from table to calendar. And now let's go here and you will see there is like a little plus sign over here, and scroll down and you will see board fill. Click it and choose task list, and there you go. And now let's go to the right top corner and you will see these 3 dots over here. Click it and change it to full width. That's it. Adjust it. Easy. And now you can use the drag and drop function. And one more thing, if you ever wanted to add some notes to your events, you can just click over here. Maybe give it a title like essay, and let's delete these. Type slash and you will see there are different blocks. For example, let's add a to-do list and you can type whatever you want, and when you finish it you can just check it, and that's it. So this is how you use Notion for some basic task management. I hope you find this video useful and see you soon.